introduced an outstanding project to monitor safety and which delivers a quality care through robust reporting system.
Is Bhakti Vedanta Hospital and Research Institute, Mumbai.
Today's award, I would say, is a recognition of that fact that Bhaktivedanta Hospital has put in efforts since last 14 years to set up a department of spiritual care, and through that department we have helped so many people to reduce their length of stay and overall well-being.
Well, let's move on to our next set of awards. These recognize practice leaders across multi-speciality, single-speciality hospitals for their drive to improve and enhance effectiveness of care. It is also recognition of the hospital's infrastructure and processes, and most importantly, on the perception and feedback from patients and doctors. The first category of awards is for Best Single Speciality Hospital, divided across 4 specialities: cardiology, orthopedic, oncology, neurology, across 8 metro cities. I would like to request Mr. Joy Chakrabarti to do the honors, please.
The winner of Healthcare Achiever Awards 2014 for Best Single Specialty Hospital Oncology is Rajiv Gandhi Cancer Institute and Research Center, Delhi.
Our next award is for Best Single Speciality Hospital in Orthopedic. Mr. Srinivasan.
The winner for Best Single Specialty Hospital Orthopedic is MN Orthopedic Hospital, Chennai.
The Best Single Speciality Hospital Cardiology. Mr. Chakrabarti, this one's yours.
The winner of Healthcare Achiever Award 2014 for the Best Single Specialty Hospital Cardiology is Asian Heart Institute, Mumbai.
The last award in this category, the Best Single Speciality Hospital Neurology. The winner, Mr. Srinivasan.
The winner for Best Single Specialty Hospital Neurology is National Institute of Mental Health and Neurosciences, Bangalore.
Congratulations, sir. Our next awards are for the best multi-speciality hospitals across 8 major cities. And we will now announce the well-deserved winners in these categories. I request Mr. Joy Chakrabarti to announce the best multi-speciality hospital in Mumbai.
Winner of Healthcare Achiever Award 2014 for Best Multi-Specialty Hospital, Mumbai is PT Hinduja National Hospital and Medical Research Center.
I think this award is definitely going to have an added incentive to each and every member of the Hinduja Hospital Parivar to rededicate themselves to serve with passion and take the institution and the dreams of PD Hinduja ahead.
To announce the award for Best Multi-Speciality Hospital in Delhi, I request Mr. Srinivasan to do the honors.
The winner for Best Multi-Specialty Hospital Delhi is All India Institute of Medical Sciences.
And now the best multi-speciality hospital in Kolkata. Mr. Chakrabarti.
Ruby Hospital, Ruby General Hospital.
And the best multi-speciality hospital in Chennai, Mr. Srinivasan will do the honors.
The winner for Best Multi-Speciality Hospital Chennai is Apollo Hospitals, Chennai.
I'd now like to request Mr. Chakravarti to kindly announce the best multi-speciality hospital in the city of Bengaluru.
Best multi-speciality hospital, Bangalore, is St. John's Medical College Hospital.
And from Bangalore, we move to Hyderabad, Mr. Srinivasan.
The winner for Best Multi-Speciality Hospital Hyderabad is Komineni Hospitals.
And now moving to Ahmedabad, the best multi-speciality hospital is...
CIMS Hospital Private Limited.
And the next winner is for the city of Pune.
The winner for Best Multi-Speciality Hospital Pune is Ruby Hall Clinic.
Well, that brings us to the end of that segment. The next segment of awards recognizes secondary service hospitals that have made efforts to improve the quality of delivery of general healthcare services. These awards are for the best secondary care hospitals divided across 4 zones. To announce the winner of the East Zone, I would like to call upon Mr. Joy Chakravarti.
The winner of Healthcare Achiever Award 2014 for Best Secondary Care Hospital East Zone is Charing Cross Nursing Home Private Limited, Kolkata.
Now to announce the winner of the best secondary care hospital in the West Zone.
The winner of Best Secondary Care Hospital West Zone is KB Baba Hospital, Mumbai.
And now moving up to the North Zone, after seeing the best of the West, we'll see the best of the North. Mr. Chakravarti will do the honors.
The winner of Healthcare Achiever Award 2014 for Best Secondary Care Hospital North Zone, Lady Hardinge Medical College, Delhi.
The best secondary care hospital in the South Zone, Mr. Srinivasan will announce the winner.
The winner for Best Secondary Care Hospital South Zone is Omega Hospitals, Hyderabad.
The last few awards to go, these are very coveted as they recognize thought leaders of the healthcare industry. These awards honor the personalities who have helped humanize healthcare